Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare exploded view in the SolidWorks software. You can see this is the roller conveyor assembled. I will show you how to create the exploded view of this conveyor. So I will hide this part. Select here exploded view. First I will remove here all the fasteners. The next step is remove the washers. We need to remove step by step in this exploded view. The next step is select the bearing block. Here remove this. Select second one. Select one by one with bearing block. Because bearings are assembled from back side of the plate, we need to remove along with this plate. After that we can remove the bearings. So now remove this. Done. Next select the all bearings. Remove from the bearing block. We can see with the ISO view. Next same step we need to repeat from this side also. Select the same screws. Next, select the washers. It might take some time, but do step by step. Exploded will help to assemble and disassemble the parts. So based on the step by step only, we need to remove the parts from the assembly. The next part is remove bearing block along with the bearings. Friends, if you need any special training about the SolidWorks, you can reach me out in the comment box. There are 24 ball bearings assembled in the conveyor. The next step is remove the bearings from the bearing block. So we can reduce the distance here. The next is remove the U channel from the assembly. You can see friends how the assembly exploded view is looking. So that's the today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.